Alright guys, we're here at Hill Cutlery, and it looks like they have like a little museum back here. We're gonna... Oh, Father's hiding back here. I think we're gonna go... Are we gonna go check out the museum? Or am I gonna go check out the museum? You don't have to go with me if you don't want to. I know you've been here more than once. But... Oh man, they've just got a whole bunch of stuff in here. Oh wow. That's an oldie but a goodie, I bet. Very cool. All the leather straps. We got all the history of case. This is a really, really nice store. We got a whole bunch of, and I know this is going to be quick and dirty, but just kind of give you an idea of what they have in here. But like I said, the history of case knives all along the wall. We got, oh man, just some really cool stuff. Oh, all the Boy Scout knives. I know some folks that would really dig those. Oh, there you go. That's like a PNW Funwork special right there, right? Oh my goodness, look at that one. Big old blade. Can you see the hand? Oh, it's a fixed blade. Okay. Canal Street Cutlery. Got some Baron Son. Got the old codgers back there working. Very cool. Baron Son case. Oh, we even got some beer back there. Sneak back there. Well, we are right next to the distillery too, aren't we? So we'll be getting some. I'm guessing we're gonna go over there. Oh, yes. Oh, Father's like, yep. Oh, he's working hard there too. What's he doing? Looks like he might be cleaning up. Very cool. Now guys, if you are ever in Radcliffe, I got it. Radcliffe, Kentucky. I don't know why. Richland. It was between Boundary Oak and Boundary Bay because we have Boundary Bay brewers up there. And Richland and Radcliffe, I was just, Radcliffe, Kentucky, Boundary Oak Distillery. There we go. Well, you definitely got to come check this out. Just a lot of knife history. Very cool. Just a quick tour, guys, of what it is. Definitely got to come check it out. But we're going to keep walking along, seeing what we're seeing here. You guys take it easy. We will talk to you later.